everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm gonna show you what's inside my hospital bag. But before anything else, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload my videos. So let's get started. First up, I'm gonna show you what's inside this bag first. So I decided to carry this kind of bag para madali na lang for the baby stuff because I don't want to open the zipper, etc. So first I have these cotton balls. So I got them on Shopee. If you need links, so I can maybe put the link on the channel. They said that cotton balls are more useful than wipes. However, I still got wipes. So this is from Watson's. So this is just my own wipe, not for the babies. Next naman, I have this Witch Hazel Perennial Spray from Buds and Blossom. Yes, I got this so that it will take care of my organ down there. So I'll just spray it, and then they said it's very gentle. This one, ito yung toothbrushes and toothpaste namin. And this is a nasal aspirator, just in case we would need it for the baby. This is the travel bidet. So I got extra adult diapers. So, it's from Shopee also. Nakaganito na siya. So, have extra underpad. So, ito yung ginagamit kapag, pag nag-leak. And, have extra maternity pads. So, this is also from Shopee. And, breast pads. Whenever I need extra. So, these are all extra. And, our toiletries. So, ayun. Hindi ko na isa-isahin. May tissue, dito na yung moisturizer, feminine wash, sabon, shampoo, ganyan, alcohol, then face mask, baby stuff. So we have so it says baby stuff here. We have baby diapers from Unilove, and if you want, I have also linked to Shopee, the wipes, the shampoo there. So I got the Cetaphil shampoo, Tretton din, and then my body wash, and yeah, so many balls. Yun yung laman nito, so that it's so easy to get. Next naman is yung laman ng maleta. Are you ready? So ito yung laman, isa-isahin natin yan. First, I have mommy day 1. So I have here hospital gown, underwear, bra, pads, menstrual pants, underpad, adult diaper. So, kinompleto ko na. So, ayun, for mommy, day 1. Next naman is day 2. I got pajama. Gusto ko yung pajama, yung sa Shopee. Yan, ganda naman niya. So, if you want, I can link everything down below. And then, this is the going home outfit ng baby. So, it has one receiving blanket, one onesie, pajama, pair of mittens, boots, bonnet, and diaper. Next, I have receiving clothes. Ito yung my swaddle blanket, receiving blanket, onesie, pajama, pair of mittens, pair of boots, and bonnet and diaper. And the last is day 2, receiving blanket, onesie, pajama, pair of mittens, boots, bonnet, and diaper. So we got extra clothes. The baby here got extra swaddle and parang changing mat. And I just brought slippers. Of course, we did not forget daddy's or my husband's clothes. Nandito rin sa maleta. So, complete naman my day 1, day 2, and 3. And then my extra clothes. So, comfortable na slippers. Ayun. And, yeah. Yun lang, if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. And I will read it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon in my next vlog.